Okay, grade one. Let's get started our session today. Today we're gonna learn the telemarks. Do you know what's the meaning of telemarks? If you know what's the meaning of telemarks, raise your hand. If you have any idea about the telemarks, raise your hand. Okay. The telemarks, yeah, grade one, are marks like this, lines. The telemarks, we call this telemark. Telemarks. Okay. The telemarks are lines. We use these lines to represent the numbers. For example, I want to represent number 3 using telemarks. So I will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay? For example, I want to represent number 4. So I will draw 4 telemarks. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Salim, Mariam. I want to represent number 4, so I will draw 4 telemarks. 4 telemarks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, if I want to represent number 2, yeah, Shahid.
Yes, Miss
Yeah, I
Naeem.
yeah, honey, I want to represent number 2 using the telemarks. So how many telemarks will I draw?
2.
2. 1, 2. Okay, for example, I want to represent number 5 using the telemarks. How can we represent number 5 using the telemarks? Who can tell me?
One.
Who can tell me how can we represent number 5 using the telemarks? How many lines? I will draw
5.
5 lines. But it may be different a little bit. Who's drawing on the screen? Okay, I want to represent number 5 using the telemarks. Focus here, look at the screen. So I will draw 5 lines, but like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th line, I will draw it like this. So if you saw this shape, that means I have 5 telemarks. This shape means 5. 5. So you don't have to read to count the lines. If you saw this shape, that means you have 5 directly. 5. طيب عمرو.
Yes. Yes, Miss Naeem.
Okay, grade 1. Could you stop drawing on the screen, please?
Yes, Miss
Okay,
Naeem.
Amr, I want to represent number 7 using the telemarks. Do you know what is the telemarks?
Yes.
Okay, how many lines I will draw to represent number 7?
7 and 7.
No, no, wait.
Do 7, 7 and 7 and 7 line. We're making like this.
Okay, here I want to represent number 7 with the telemarks. So I will draw 7 telemarks. Yasin Sami,
Yes.
stop, please. So I will
Yes.
draw 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 4,
and the 5th
5.
like this. 5.
Yes.
We draw
Like
the 5th line like this. 5. Keep going. 6, 7. Here we have 7 using the telemarks. طيب أحمد يحيى.
Yes.
I want to represent number 8 with the tally marks. So how many lines I will draw?
8.
8. Let's count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Will I draw the fifth line here?
Sideways.
I will draw the fifth line here or what?
N- No, not here.
No, we will close the 4 lines with the fifth one. Here we
Okay.
have 5. Keep going.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
8. I want only 8. Thank you. Seji, do you have a question?
Um, I want to answer.
You want to answer? Okay, Malika, do you have a question?
Miss, can I read? Because yesterday I raised my hand and you tell me I will read and I don't make.
You didn't
And
answer
today I want
yesterday?
to read.
Okay, honey.
Today I want to answer.
Okay. Okay. Amr, do you have a question?
No.
Okay. Let's start with Mesa, do you have a question?
Yesterday you told to me I I told you I wanted to answer and you said okay, but you didn't ask me. Can I answer today?
Okay, I asked you now because I want from you to answer. So, grade 1. Count the tally marks. Do you know what are the tally marks?
Yeah.
Yeah, these lines called tally marks.
Tally marks.
Tally marks. Okay, count the tally marks and write the number. The first number here was 3. Why? Because I have 3 lines, 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3. So I wrote here 3. Okay? The second one, which number? Naya Mesa. We said that this shape means number what?
This shape that is crossed.
Yeah, with cross. Means number what?
4.
Means number 5. We said that when you want to present number 5, you will draw 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross the 4 lines with the fifth one. So I said that if you saw this shape, that means it will be 5 directly. It will be 5. That means here we have 5. Huh? Keep going. And we have one more tally mark. So how many tally marks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5? No, we said that this shape means 5, Yamasa. So if you want to count, you will say 5, 6. 5, 6.
I say 5.
6. It will be 6, not 5. Mesa,
Yes.
again, the tally mark. Wait. If I want to represent number 4, how many tally marks I will draw here?
Wish.
If I want to represent number 4 here, how many tally marks?
4.
4. 1, 2,
I
3,
will write.
4. Don't write anything. I'm just explaining this for you. I'm explaining. Okay, طيب, look at the screen, Masa. I want to represent number 5. How can we represent number 5? How many tally marks?
6.
5. Yeah, Mesa. You want to represent 4? Draw 4 tally marks. You want to represent 5? Draw 5 tally marks. You want to represent 10? Draw 10 tally marks. So I will draw the 5 tally marks like this. Look at the screen, ya Mesa. Mesa, look at the screen.
Yes.
Yeah, I will represent number 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth line, I will cross the 4 with the fifth line. 5. We will not draw the fifth line beside them here. I will cross the 4 lines with the fifth one. So if you saw
I
this
know
shape,
like this, but you say that is wrong. Not
as-
true.
yeah, I said that here will be 5. This shape means 5. So I asked you to answer this question. How many tally marks here? Which number this is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5 only? Okay, let's count again, Yamasa. 1, 2,
5, 7.
3. We are here, Yamasa. Mesa. Look at the screen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please look at the screen, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth line, Yamasa.
I
6.
know that like this.
Yes, this is the fifth one. So this shape means 5, Yamasa. So if you want to count, you will start to count from 5 and keep count the rest of the tally marks. So it will be 5, 6, 5, 6. So here we have 6. Okay? طيب Malika?
I'm here, miss.
Yeah, the next one. Which number is this?
7.
7. Why? Okay, which number represent these tally marks?
No, this is 5 and this one is 2.
Yeah,
And
so
all 7.
7.
And all 7.
Yeah, when we're going to count, we'll say 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Very good, ya Malika. It will be 7. طيب ياسين سامي.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, which number is this?
Where?
Here.
4.
These tally marks. All of them.
4.
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
8.
Count again. We said that this shape means what? Number what?
5.
5. Huh? Keep count after 5.
9.
Yeah. Keep
9.
count after 5 the rest of the tally marks. 5, 6, 7,
6,
8,
8, 9.
9. So it will be number 9.
Miss,
Yeah?
why you are unmuting us?
Because I heard some noise.
No, not unmute us again. Open all the mics.
إن شاء الله. Okay, ياسين. Okay, طيب.
Miss,
Seji?
this is an example.
No, this is worksheet on the Smart School.
Yes, Miss Ranim.
Yeah, yes, Seji. Okay, can you tell me this question? These tally marks represent which number?
8.
8. Because here we have 5. And if you want to count the rest of the tally marks, you will say 5, 6.
Plus 3.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Thank you, Seji.
It's very easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. It's just the beginning. Okay, Dalida?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, which number these tally marks are represent? These tally marks.
Are 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be number 4. طيب
I
عمرو,
made it all. I made it all.
you finished all the sheet?
Yes, Miss Ranim.
Very good, Dalida. Thank you.
Yes, Miss Ranim.
طيب عمرو, okay, which number these tally marks are represent?
I need to miss. I finished the sheet. 5.
5. Yeah, directly you will say 5. It will be 5. طيب Mustafa and Layan.
Yes, Miss Ranim.
Yeah, yeah. Layan, can you tell me which number these tally marks are represent? 10. Because you will have 5 and 5. So you can add 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. طيب Mustafa, which number are these tally marks represent? 2. 1, 2. You will count 2. And finally, yeah, Amr, which number this tally mark is represent?
1.
1. Very good. Okay, grade 1, are you done with this question? With this sheet, Mesa?
Yes.
Mariam done?
Yes. I done.
Okay, okay.
I done. Yes, I done. Yeah.
Laura, do you have a question?
Yeah. Yes.
This is why I'm muting. Okay, grade 1, this is why I'm muting you. Sorry, but I will mute you. طيب, Laura, do you have a question? Okay. طيب, Zain, do you have a question?
No, I just finished the 3 sheets.
Finished the 3 sheets?
Are we going to make this sheet?
Very good. Who's talking? Laura?
Are we making this sheet?
Laura?
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna complete the sheets, but let's finish this first.
I finished it.
Okay. Mariam, finish?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Where is Ruqayya Mahmoud? Okay, do you understand the tally marks?
Yes, I make it.
Okay, طيب. Batul, do you have a question?
In her. Can I read question?
You want to answer? Okay. Shahid, do you have a question about the sheet?
مامي دي اللي مش مطبوعة كويس. No.
Okay. Salim?
Speaking. دي برضه.
Salim?
Yes.
Are you done with this sheet?
Yeah.
Okay. Ruqayya Yahya, finish?
Yes.
Okay, Sidra? Sidra, finish?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Carla? Carla finish?
Yes, miss.
Okay. طيب عمر
I
سيد
finished.
مصطفى عمرو. Okay.
Miss
Yes?
Ranim, I'm Carla. I'm finished.
You finished? Okay. طيب Yusuf, do you have a question about the sheet?
Yes, the tally marks, or I see them in movies, but they are in jail.
You said what?
I see the tally marks in the movies. The tally marks are supposed to be in the jail.
No, not in the jail. It's um it's for no information about objects around us. Not for the jail, yeah, Yusuf.
بس أنا بشوف الموvies in بس أنا بشوف
Yeah, I
like
know.
I see.
They use the tally marks to count how many days are left and go out of the jail, but it's wrong. Where we will use tally marks in the math, not for the jail. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. طيب okay. I will tell you now how can we use the tally marks. We use the tally marks, yeah, Yusuf, for represent or to make the tally chart. The tally chart is a table, okay? Use the tally marks to know information about anything. For example, you want to represent the number of the colors that you have. For example, you have five red crayons. So we will draw five tally marks and write that you have five red crayons. So we use the tally marks to make the tally chart. The tally chart, yeah, grade one, is a table. Use the tally marks. This tally chart shows that more children like pretzels. Okay, who can tell me what's the title of this tally chart? Who can tell me the title of this tally chart? Lara Islam?
Yes.
What's the title of this tally chart?
Snacks we like.
Snacks we like. Okay, why we call this tally chart, yeah, Laura? There's a difference between the tally chart and the tally marks. We call this tally chart because we use inside it the tally marks. We call this table tally chart because we use inside it the tally marks. This is why we call this tally chart, because this table or this chart use the tally marks to represent the objects. Okay? So there's a difference between the tally chart and the tally mark. The tally chart is the table, the large table, but the tally marks these small lines. Okay? طيب, how many snacks يا Lara? We have, which snacks can you see here? Lara? يا Lara.
Yes.
Yeah, what are the snacks here?
Pretzels and trail mix.
Pretzels and trail mix. Do you know what are the pretzels
Yes.
and the trail mix?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I will show you a screen, a photo for the pretzels and the trail mix to imagine them. These are the pretzels. Do you know now what are the pretzels?
Yes, I eat it.
Yeah. These are the pretzels.
Miss, I eat it. Miss, I eat it
You ate
once.
them?
Miss, I eat it once, but the small one.
Yeah, the small one. These are like
Miss,
bread but salty.
Miss, what is half salt?
Yeah, it's salt. Salty.
It was very salty.
Yeah.
But I think I eat with cheese. I think.
Yeah, it's like bread but salty.
I eat it from the small one.
I eat it. Yummy,
I
yummy.
eat it from the big wheel.
And
Miss,
yeah,
Yeah.
I eat the trail mix.
I don't eat it a lot. I really miss
Okay.
it because I
Thank
did
you,
not
grade
eat
one.
it from
Okay.
like
So this is a picture of pretzels, and I will show you the picture of the mix, the trial mix. The trial mix is like this. This is the trial mix. As the trial mix is snack about chocolates and dried fruits and nuts. Okay, this is the picture of the trial mix. So let's go back to our question. So here we have snacks we like, pretzels, and the trial mix. Trial mix. Okay, Khaled, can you tell me how many pretzels are there? Adam, sorry, Adam. How many
prison
pretzels? Yeah. How can we read this tally
9.
chart? 9.
9.
Yes, this is the pretzels. We represent the pretzels with the tally marks as 5 and 4. So we have in all 9 pretzels.
Prison
And how many of trail mix?
6.
6. We represent the trail mix as 6 tally with 6 tally marks. This is 5 and one more means 6. Okay. We call this tally chart. What's the difference, yeah, Batul, between the tally chart and the tally mark? Or in another question, this
Because the chili chart and the tally marks, it is the difference because the chili chart we will
okay, I will ask you a question by another way. Why we call this tally chart, not chili, Batul, tally chart, tally chart. Why we call this tally chart?
because the tally chart and the we will get it on the squares
Oh,
and have and we count it.
okay, you're a little close. We call this tally chart because we use the tally marks inside it. This tally chart, we call this tally chart because it has a tally marks. Okay,
Yes.
so this large table we call tally chart, and these marks called tally marks.
Yes.
Mariam, do you have a question
Yeah.
about what?
Neat one.
You want to answer? Okay. طيب, Laura Yunus, do you have a question?
No.
Okay. طيب, Dalida, do you have a question? Zain, do you have a question? Amr,
Yeah, Miss, can me answer?
you want to answer? Okay. طيب, let's start with let's see another one.
I want to answer, Miss.
Okay, give chance to your friends.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. طيب أسيل.
Yes.
Yeah, do you know what's the name of this table? Okay, is this telechart or telemark?
Teddy Mark. No,
Telemark?
Teddy Chart. Teddy Chart.
Telechart, the big one called telechart. But why we call this telechart, ya Asil?
Can I answer? Because
It has what?
Teddy, Teddy Marks.
It has tele, not teddy, yeah, Asil, not teddy, tele. Tally. Telechart. Tele. Okay, not teddy. Yeah, the large one, this table called telechart. We call this telechart because it's used the tally marks. Okay, what?
Can I answer?
Okay, Adida, what is the title of this telechart?
Meals we like.
Meals we like. Okay,
Mommy.
how many breakfast meals?
5.
5. Okay, here we have the shape means 5. طيب يا روكا.
I'm here.
Yeah, how many lunch meals?
7.
7. Very good. We said that this shape means 5 and keep count after 5, 6, 7. So we will write here 7.
Miss, can I ask you something?
Okay.
This this one I will make it I will make it. Can I say it with Arabic?
Okay.
الحتة اللي تحت دي أعملها إزاي؟
We will answer this together.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Don't be worried.
Okay.
طيب. ياسين أيمن.
Yes.
How many dinner meals?
8.
8. Okay, this shape represent which number?
What?
This shape represent which number?
5.
5. Yeah, so we will count after 5, 6, 7, 8.
7.
Very good. Okay, Ruka. Write the totals. We wrote the totals here. We counted the tally marks and wrote the numbers. Then circle how many votes for each. That means a circle how many children choose breakfast, how many children or how many meals in lunch, and how many meals in dinner. That's the purpose of this question. For example, this shape means the breakfast. How many children vote for breakfast?
5.
5. So we will circle 5.
He circled.
Okay. And the second one here, this picture, for the breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Lunch.
Lunch. So how many children voted for lunch?
7.
7. So we will circle 7 because here we said that we have 7 meals. Do you understand this question now?
Yeah.
Okay. طيب عمر.
Dinner is 8. Yes.
Yeah, this picture for which meal? Breakfast,